Hey guys, so here we have every N54 owner's worst nightmare. As you can see here, we have the injector bracket bolts. We have two of them which are good, and the third one, wow, look at that. It's actually stuck inside the block. The head of the bolt broke off, which means we can't really hold in the injectors anymore, which of course means the car can't run and it's just a piece of art sitting here. And in order to rectify this issue, we were thinking either drill a hole into this bolt and tap in a new bolt, or the second way is we weld a nut to the bolt with this little welder and try our luck from there. So our main concern was to make sure that the valve cover does not melt from the heat of the welder. So we're prepping up a little surgery area here, just making sure everything's covered and we can access the bolt that we're trying to get out. So with our welding endeavor, that's the blob nut we created. So now we're gonna try to turn it and see how it goes. Guys, continuing on with the same project, the bolt welding technique didn't work for us. The bolt kept snapping off, so now we're drilling a cavity and we'll be putting in a new bolt. So we pretty much drilled out the steel bolt, and now this is what we're working with. A lot of aluminum shavings around the area. All right guys, so our little solution worked. This is the bolt that we're able to we tightened in for the injector. We were able to run the car. It runs like it's supposed to. This engine unfortunately has developed a knock. It was already knocking and the bolt broke. That's why we went with this temporary solution. So this engine has some sort of a knocking going on in the head. We just wanted to get it running quickly, see what's going on with it. So unfortunately this, even though the solution worked, this engine is no good. We have another car, this one's pushing 700. Luckily this engine is good. So we're gonna take apart the valve cover in the next video and see what we can do. I'll leave a little clip of the car running so you can hear the knock. So that's everything for today guys. Thanks for tuning in.